We have some stuff here. He's blocking you.
Cool.
Whoa.
My binder. This is like the nerdiest binding you could possibly get. Are you joking? So,
It's cool though.
So not discreet.
Oh. Should we have gone scissors? Do you even know how to like count a thing?
No.
I don't know how to do
We
it.
can do the first one and find out.
Ooh.
How are you gonna show the camera? This doesn't seem. What are you doing?
What?
Who does it like that?
I thought we were just like trying to figure it out first. Oh.
Are you joking?
I thought we were trying to figure it out first. Ooh.
No,
It's noble.
you.
It's noble.
Well, that one's not really noble, but
Oh, Bobby.
he looks so cute. Oh, I want a Dino. Dino?
Energy retrieval. Interesting.
No.
Oh, another Siglyph. Mickey card. Trubish.
Dino! Dino!
You called it!
Dino!
You called it!
That's so cute. I don't
Oh
have any
my
sleeves.
God.
I'm gonna sell it, but I don't have any sleeves right now.
We can just put on the thing. Wow!
Yay! Look, Bobo. Bobo.
Oh, Bobo.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
Oh, another.
Oh, another no
shadow.
shadow.
Is this Pokeball?
Yeah. Oh, it is Pokeball! Didn't
Pokeball.
realize.
Cause
With us. It's noble. It's actually noble now.
I really like this one.
Bobo.
I picked a good binder.
No way!
Wait, I love this one. It's so cute.
Noble wants to be a part of the fun.
He is part of the fun.
Alright.
On the right side.
Whoa.
Look. There's all the playable stuff.
Yeah.
Oh.
What's this? Oh,
Oh, the promo.
we got the promo card. Andres.
Legion.
Oh, I got Servine.
Oh, I didn't get anything. Bear tick.
Oh!
Cool.
No way!
Oh my God, I literally just said we haven't gotten any EXs. Pokeball.
That's a Pokeball. Ooh. No way!
You're so lucky. You're so lucky, man.
No way!
We're so lucky.
Ooh. Genesis EX. Last pet magic, last pet magic. A Pokeball one. right after.
Please. I like that it's pink.
Mm. You went so fast. Oh!
Grandpa, no.
Oh my God.
Shut up, shut
Oh my
up.
God,
shut
oh my
up,
God, oh my
shut
God.
up, shut up. You need to show your mom that later. Okay.
Oh. Ooh. Nice. And. Oh my God. That looks so good. Ooh, Calvin. Nice.
Oh,
No way. Wait, this is actually insane. Our first Master Ball.
Woo! So great. This is so great.
Thanks for watching.